Use that typewriter. 1, 2, 3, you're typing away. Both hands, you are doing 40 words a minute. And the more you hear my voice, the faster you get. 50 words a minute, 60 words a minute, how fast can you go?